What is the economic cost of occupational licensing on labor? Imagine a world where getting a job is as simple as showing up and doing the work. Now picture a system where you need special permission from the government just to start. That's what occupational licensing is all about. It requires certain professions to have a license before you can legally work. But what does that mean for workers and the economy? Let's find out. Occupational licensing creates barriers that can make it harder for people to enter certain jobs. To get licensed, individuals often have to complete specific training programs, pass exams, and pay fees. These requirements can take months or even years, delaying entry into the workforce. For some, the costs of training and exams are high, which can stop them from pursuing those careers altogether. This reduces the number of workers available in those fields, which can slow down economic activity. Licensed workers often earn more than unlicensed workers doing the same job. The wage boost can be between 5 and 15%. This higher pay reflects the restrictions on competition and the value of holding a license. But earning more comes with costs. Workers must spend money on training and exams upfront, and they spend time preparing for tests. This can be a big hurdle for people trying to switch careers or start fresh. Plus, licenses are usually not valid across state lines, so moving to a new state means starting the licensing process all over again. This limits workers' ability to find jobs in different locations. For consumers and the economy, licensing can push prices higher. When fewer workers are available and wages are increased, service costs go up. This can make it more expensive for people to access certain services, like haircuts, plumbing, or medical care. Higher prices mean some people might choose not to buy those services, which reduces overall demand. Economists estimate that these restrictions cause billions of dollars in lost economic output each year. Many argue licensing is necessary to protect public health and safety. While it can improve service quality, it also leads to higher prices, fewer jobs, and less innovation. For businesses, licensing adds compliance costs. They must verify that employees are licensed, which takes time and money. If they hire unlicensed workers, they risk legal trouble. Licensing can also make it harder for businesses to grow quickly because of limited access to qualified workers. Overall, occupational licensing affects the economy by reducing employment opportunities, raising wages not because of productivity but because of restrictions, increasing prices for consumers, and limiting workers' ability to move freely. While it can improve safety and quality, the economic costs are significant. It's a balancing act between protecting the public and keeping the labor market flexible and efficient.